Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna be making peri-peri chicken. Peri-peri chicken is a chicken dish from South Africa. It was made famous across a lot of African countries by the famous South African food giant, Nando's. So today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make peri-peri chicken. Let's get it. First on our list is the bell-eye chilies. Next is serrano chilies, scotch bonnet, paprika powder, cayenne powder, whole garlic cloves, bay leaf, whole onion, whole lemon, apple cider vinegar, salt, red bell peppers, black pepper, olive oil, and of course, our chicken clean and ready to go. First thing we have to do is turn our oven on to 350 degrees. What we're gonna do next is make the sauce for the chicken. It's also gonna serve as the base rub for the chicken. Right now, our oven is hot, 350 degrees, and now we're gonna put our vegetables in the oven and let it roast until they're all dried. After 30 minutes, our vegetables are roasted and ready to go. Now, we add our roasted vegetables into the blender. Lemon zest, lemon juice, bird-eye chilies, bay leaf, vinegar, and salt. We blend everything together to make a paste. Next, we prepare our chicken. Now we have our chicken prepared, ready to go, and our peri-peri marinade. So we marry them together, marinate everything, and go on the grill next. Watch me. Right now, I'm going to take it off the grill and pop it in the oven. Chicken is thoroughly cooked. Let's bring it out from the oven.